In this tutorial, we're going to talk about placing a hook into your vise as well as wrapping thread onto that hook. Now, as you can see, there are some clamps here that's going to hold that hook in its place. All vices are going to have some sort of mechanism in order to hold the hook in place. So you want to get your vise back to your tying position. You're going to come at the vise with your hook where the hook bend is going to be at the back. You want to make sure that that shank is perpendicular. Now this is the ideal position for your hook to be placed into your vise. So your hook shank is perpendicular. You're still able to tie along the bend if you need to. And this hook point is showing, so that way if you need to stop at the hook point or start your material at that specific spot, you can see where you need to go. So let's talk about wrapping thread. You want to make sure that your bobbin is threaded. You're going to hold your thread behind your hook shank at about a 45-degree angle. So you want to start wrapping from the eye of the hook towards the back. Now, as I'm wrapping, I am pulling my end or the tag end of my thread towards the back of the hook. And what this does is it allows me to wrap over that tag end, securing that thread onto the hook shank. Now when complete, you can just cut that tag end and you are ready to start tying.